Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring ingredients precisely. 1 cup rolled oats, 2 tablespoons cocoa, and 1/2 cup milk. Combine sweetener and a pinch of salt for balance. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla for depth. Blend briefly if you want a smoother base, or stir and let the oats soak for 10 to 15 minutes to hydrate. Once done, taste. The cocoa should be present but not bitter, so adjust sweetener slightly. This first step sets texture and flavor, so make sure to control liquid for desired thickness. You now refine texture and develop flavor. If the mix is too thick, add milk 1 tablespoon at a time. If too thin, let it sit to thicken or add a spoon of oat flour. Blend for a creamy mouthfeel, because mechanical action frees oils and rounds flavor. Heat briefly to warm and bloom the cocoa, or chill to firm the mixture for slices. Once done, fold in mix-ins like chocolate chips or a swirl of nut butter for contrast. These elements add pocket. You complete the oat choco by transferring into a mold or bowl. Press firmly if making bars, or spoon into serving dishes for a soft treat. Garnish with cocoa dust, sea salt flakes, or chopped nuts to add aroma and texture. If things go wrong, address moisture. Too wet, chill for 30 minutes or stir in a tablespoon of oats. Too dry, add milk 1 tablespoon at a time until the texture is pleasant. Finally, taste and adjust sweetness before serving. Small tweaks matter.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.